I don't know how many times I heard I can't install my package today, or I'll wait until tomorrow because it's cold. There are clouds, or a little breeze. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. And it's about 4:30 now, and about 45 degrees. So once we just get this out of here. Do that. I got all my frames sprayed down with some sugar water. This is some sugar water here. Spray the bees down. There's my queen. She's good. Just gonna stick her in my pocket. Get these bees off of here a little bit better. All right. She's in my pocket. Bees are sprayed down. Hive is sprayed down. Just flip this over. A little bit of comb they were building in there already. See if I can get that out. All right. Still a few bees in there. I'm just gonna rest this over here for now, right against the hive. Perfect. A little extra comb. All right. You said these are sprayed down with sugar water. Just gonna rest these in here. Yes, I have built out frames. No, does not matter. Yes, this is 7 frames. No, that does not matter either. Queen. Pressing her in here. Just like so. Get one of these, slide this one over here. Slide this one in. A bit tight, there we go. All right, she's in there, she's good. Pollen patty, right there. That's good. My feeders, right on top. I'm just going to use what's in my bottle here for now. Yes, my equipment's dirty, but doesn't matter. Bees got to get in. There's another little piece of pollen patio. That goes on. That's going to get latched together. My entrance is open. And take a look. How about that? Bees are in, and I'm done.